Look at this amazing hair. Your hair may be a little bit shorter, but how can you grow your hair faster in a week? That seems to be something that is highly searched on the internet, and I guess people just want to have longer hair overnight. So if you want your hair to, I would say, look like it's longer, because there's no way to get your hair to grow faster in 1 week, right? A lot of people want immediate results, but how do you go about getting your hair to maybe look like it's getting longer? And you probably don't want to hear this, but simply just do not wash your hair. Now, what happens is, for example, you take this mannequin here. I use my matte pomade on this, all right? I mean, probably like the last time I used this thing. This product is so amazing, but what happens is it looks like the hair is very lived in, almost slightly dirty, all right? Or next day or 2 days after hair. What that does is, because it lays a little bit closer to the head and it looks like it's a little more almost wet, I would say, or a bit more dirty, it gives the appearance of it being longer, because what happens is the hair kind of binds together and joins forces with each other, and that makes it look and appear, you can see here, like these strands, because of the texture and because of the product being lived in so much and me not washing this, yeah, it doesn't look the greatest or feel like it's freshly clean hair, but it sure looks a lot longer because of the texture of the hair. So if you have a hairstyle that's kind of on the semi-long-ish side and you want it to look a little bit longer, simply don't wash it if you can hold out. I know it may seem kind of gross, but maybe don't wash it for that entire week, or maybe wash it on Monday, and then if you need it to look better by Friday or Saturday, apply this product probably like on that Monday and just let it be, right? Work it through your hands, style it, whatever you have to do, but just don't mess with it too much. It's going to appear like it's longer. I'm telling you, it's weird. It's not the cleanest thing, but I've seen it before. That's the only way to get your hair to look like it's growing faster in a week's time. And there's no other magical way to have your hair grow faster in such a short amount of time. I know a lot of people want those results, but this is a quick fix that could possibly help you. And for whatever reason you want your hair to look like it's longer in a short amount of time, well, I don't know why, but that's cool. Try this out. I'm telling you, it probably will help you. Let me know if you try this, or if you have any other tips, please share them in the comments below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.